Back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna bake me some pork chops. Yeah, I'm baking me some pork chops. These are pork chops that I got from Aldi. I done already washed them so they clean and my hands are clean. But this is why I want to show y'all. Y'all see how small that pork chop is? This is why I like to get my pork chop from Aldi, because you get a whole lot in there, and this is not the whole pack. This is just half the pack. I still got some that I left put up in the freezer for later. But stay tuned. I'm gonna bake some pork chops. I'm probably gonna do canned peas and some rice. Okay, here it is after I done season it. And the season I used was the soul food seasoning, lemon pepper, a little Cajun kick, little of this crushed red peppers, because this thing is hot. And I'm out of onion powder, but I put onion powder on there. And I added a little bit of butter on there. I know y'all probably say butter. Yes, butter. Butter gives it a flavor, keeps it tender in case you overcook them. But by them being so thin, it's not going to take it long to cook. Okay, I got my oven set at 375 for like 45 minutes. And I'm going to start on the peas. I'm going to make me some black-eyed peas in a can. Yes, in a can. And I'm going to do some rice with it. And probably some cornbread. I don't know. It depends, fam. It depends. So, I'm taking the easy way out this time, because this is like a quick meal for today. So, stay tuned. Okay, I got my brown rice on. And I got me some black-eyed peas that can. I add a little bacon grease in there. Give a little bit flavor. Alright, pork chops are done. Don't they look good, y'all? Rice about done. I don't know why it take this darn brown rice so long to cook. Peas are about done. Okay, fam. Here's the finished product. Don't they look good, y'all? Woo! I'm ready to eat. So until the next video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. And give me the thumbs up, fam. Thumbs up. Until the next video, y'all have a blessed and wonderful Sunday. Bye-bye, fam.